ride at the same time.
So y'all, this right, so yeah, this right here is my 2006. Man, they got some good specs on it, so I'm not gonna lie. It's my 2006 Suzuki RMZ 450, 4-stroke. It's a baby pipe. I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I'm scared of her. She do her thing. She do her thing, y'all. But we gonna take her out today, man. Get some good footage of, you feel me, what she do in action. Yeah, I've been riding her in the back. I'm not even gonna hold you. I got like a little mini dirt bike course. But yeah, we finna take her out. Let y'all see what she do. We out here trying to wheelie that big boy. We trying to get it. It ain't easy, but we making it happen though. My boy done came out here and pulled up on the hog. You know how to wheelie, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not like how these other niggas do, like hella long, but I could bring the front up though, a little bit.
You know a little something. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hate on you.
We're getting better though.
Yeah.
We're gonna have tutorials on this shit.
He having tutorial. I ain't having no tutorial. Dude, he do that. I'm trying to teach myself.
Everybody can teach y'all how to.
My guy got that new Sprinter out here. LA Bike Tow, y'all. And he got YouTube. If you ever need any type of bike, Harleys, your bicycle if you don't want to walk, he got a fee. Dirt bikes, quads, all that, he got you covered. And here come this man right here, look. We finna get feedback. We got Big Rick over here learning.
I just been saying it first. I ain't gonna go fast.
Now we got Darby on it. We got Darby on the bike now. He think he know a little something. He might. Let me see if he see the camera. He be holding it. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, he be knowing he talking about. Yeah, he be holding it. Y'all might know what y'all doing, man. Making me look like a rookie and shit. You playing with the clutch while you do it? No, now that I think about it, I do. That motherfucker loud.
You gotta do that shit next.
Man, I'm trying. You can do that, Red? Nah? No, 400. Yeah. God, yeah.
That nigga holding that motherfucker.
I used to hang this whole block on the 250.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna get next.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Not that big bitch. That big bitch right there. Every time I get it, I be looking at it like, fuck, man, let me go try to practice this.
That's all you can do is on that big motherfucker.
Not right, that bitch is like having a blower, keep it in the house. Huh? Oh, me? No, don't stop the recording.
Little homie over here learning how to ride at the same time. Man, you gotta throw that bitch in the air. You ain't trying hard enough. Jay stalling. Jay stalling. It's my young right here. Nigga ride that shit like a dirt bike. They can learn how to wheelie. They can learn how to drive, ride. It's combos today. What's up, man?
What's up, nigga? Use Cake City, man. No.
Uh-oh, V-roll. V-roll, let me see, son. Let me see, son. Oh! 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 We got that on camera. I got that on camera. Hey, we seen
Hey, we got it on camera.
That's on camera, too.
Big screen while you getting your bike towed.
Hey, you need to learn how to what's the view. Learn how to turn around. Hey, you lucky that gate was open. You went right to that bitch.
Nah, I feel it. I didn't use no front brake. You can stop faster than that.
Come on, just scary ass man.
Oh, me?
Come on.
Alright.
You gotta use your front brake when you ain't.
Come on, nigga.
Nah, I seen that shit.
Put your ass back on. I'm tired of riding your shit. You ride this motherfucker. I need the owner to get better than a.
That shit was funny though. I was like, oh.
Bro, that shit had us crying. We was crying. I said, this nigga tripping.
Too much.
There we go.
Hey, park it now. Park it.
Hey, park that motherfucker.
Hey. Here it is.
I ain't gonna do that.
That nigga back it in.
And some more coming. Look out for my wave caps coming soon. I'm about to go check out some fabric real soon, probably like tomorrow when Juju at school, man. But yeah, man, this is my dirt bike.